Hey guys, it's Matt. It's Monday, May 18th, and had a very slightly negative red day today. Yeah, I guess if it's negative, it has to be red, right? Very slight red day today. I was actually down like 17 cents at the end of the day. Uh, it was stupid. So when I logged in this morning, I only had like $400, 400 something worth of buying power, which I didn't realize I had traded quite that much on Friday, but and then that just kind of changed. Obviously, it limited what I could do, and it changed my approach, and I took a stab at this piece of crap stock, and I lost on it, and then I took another stab and lost again. I think so, or maybe I made some back. To be honest, I don't remember. But let's take a look at this. I forgot to maximize these. We'll blow these up. So this really ACB was this was the stock to be playing today, and it was for the buying power I had. I wasn't going to be able to trade much. I did take my first trade was 10 shares of this at 16.13 here. Rode this pullback. It was quite negative at the time. Had I had more power, I probably would have bought down here. I was thinking it was going to stop at 16. It pulls back to the 9, like pretty much taps it and takes off. I got out early too at 36. Could have held this past 50, but what this happens when I'm negative here and I see it go positive. I just get the hell out and because if it rolls over, I don't want to be holding for a bigger move and end up taking a loss. So that's fine. So that was good. I was up like I don't know, two something, 250. I forget what it was. It was a little over $2, and that's fine for the buying power that I had. Later in the day, actually, I came back and took this little trade, so it was 713 to 720, um, and just with 3 shares because that's all I could afford. Basically, I have $45 worth of buying power left right now. So um, in the middle, I traded this turd, which was stupid because I was looking for something in the $2 to $10 range, I guess. And I found this thing. It pulled back here. I got in at 227, which was up here somewhere. Um, it just looked like there was support there, and obviously there wasn't. So, we got down here to 210. I had 40 shares. I was because I watched this thing climb up, and I watched it do little micro pullbacks. I didn't get into any of them, and so when it gave me a decent pullback, I thought, okay, this thing's got legs. It's doing okay. The volume was ramping up here. Um, yeah, I mean, I thought it looked good, but so you can see I took half off at 216 just to take some size off, so maybe I could recycle shares. Ended up not really recycling much. I took 10 more here at 216 area, um, which is I should have just fucking held on to those shares. And then I started getting out here at like 224. What I was doing here was looking at my profit and loss and thinking like, okay, I saw it go positive, and I was like, okay, I'll just get out here. But the idiot that I am, I was looking at my daily profit and loss, not the profit and loss for this play. And I realized you probably shouldn't trade your P&L anyway, but I was looking at it going, okay, it's giving me positive. I'm just going to take it, even though it looked like maybe it was going to go up more. Obviously, in hindsight, it popped up to 230 here, and which, by the way, had I gotten on at 230, would have been a winner from my original position at 227. But and then obviously it drove up toward high of day there. But I tried again here, got in with 10 shares at 234, and I think I actually tried to get out at 235 or something here, or I forget. But anyway, it rolled over. I bought again at 229, and then got out at 29 and 28 for a very small loss there. It was after this then that I took this trade over here on Aurora. So the thing is that this one it wasn't the action I'm used to trading. I don't like trading it. Obviously, I'm not. I wasn't getting a good read on it. Um, I'd like to say that if I had the buying power, I wouldn't have even taken a look at this thing. But I shouldn't have taken a look at it anyway. Is the problem. buying power or not. I should have just taken my trade on ACB, this one, and maybe walked away at that point um, with whatever buying power I had left. I forget how much it was, or look for another one with a small share size like I did here, and maybe just take some scalps and see what I could make of it. But for some reason, I was just hell bent on taking a larger size on a lower price stock, and that was probably a dumb move. It turned out to be a dumb move. Let's put it that way. Um, so you can see where I'm at now with this again slightly red day. And I actually think I uploaded my trades before I took that last ACB, that little three three share trade. But so yeah, I'm still hurting from this big loss last week when I first shared up to 40 shares. So still waiting to hear back from CMEG on the new account, and when I do, hopefully we can open that up and start June 1st. And then I'll just kind of be more mindful of buying power until then. But anyway, that's it. And then I'll be back tomorrow.